You didn't decide to watch 6 episodes tonight. So who did? It starts small. Just 1 episode. You've had a long day. You deserve it. You tell yourself you'll stop after this one. Then the episode ends. And before you can even think about it, something else has already made the decision for you. A countdown. 5 seconds. 4. 3. You reach for the remote. Too slow. The next episode already started. That's not an accident. That's the entire point. Streaming platforms don't wait for you to choose anymore. They remove the moment where you would have had to choose at all. No pause. No decision. Just momentum. And your brain loves it. Every cliffhanger is a tiny, unpredictable reward. Sometimes it's huge. Sometimes it's nothing. You can't tell which one's coming, so you keep watching just to find out. That's not weak willpower. That's the same wiring that keeps people pulling a slot machine lever. Here's the part that actually got tested. Researchers ran an experiment where they simply removed the autoplay button. No lectures. No warnings. Just took away the automatic countdown. People watched less. Not because they suddenly had more self-control. Because the choice came back. And that's the real twist. Tonight you weren't choosing between episode 1 and episode 2. You were choosing between the you who wants to relax right now and the you who has to wake up at 6 tomorrow. Only one of them was in the room. The other one didn't even get a vote. So try this one, just once. Turn off autoplay for a week. Or when the countdown starts, make yourself press the button instead of letting it press itself. It's such a small change. But it puts you back in the room for the decision. You didn't choose 6 episodes. The button did. Tomorrow, you pick.
Enjoyed the video? Consider subscribing, a high-yield investment for your brain. Hit the bell so you never miss a daily nudge.